Hello everyone. In today's video, I will answer a question from a viewer who asked how to display the toolbox bar again, as well as the marker info bar below and the commands located in the menu at the top. So if your window is currently in a state where these are hidden like this, here's what you need to do. You need to go to View. If you want to display the toolbox bar, just click on Toolbox and it will appear here, and you can drag it to your desired position. As for the marker info section below, take a look here. You'll see the words marker info. There you go. It will display the marker info for you right here. As for the commands that are on this menu, you need to double click the white bar like I'm doing here. Double click with the left mouse button. So if you want any command to appear up here, select it on the left side, click add, and it will move up here. For example, if you want any command, just click here. Whichever command you want, just click here. That's it. Save as, for example. So whichever command you want, just click here. Then click add, and it will move over here for you. See, when you click like this, it moves over here for you. So that is basically my complete answer to the specific question that someone asked in the group earlier today. And if you're interested in the Gerber software course, you can check out the link I've put below this video. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next videos.